self-assessment guides. These are proof that you are willing and ready to undergo the assessment. Before we start, please submit your admission slip. As I call your name, please acknowledge by raising your hand and sign attendance sheet. Ami Obadi, sir. Van Salon. I'd like to welcome all of you to our Center for your Assessment or EPAS NC2, Electronics Products Assembly and Servicing NC2. Today, I am going to administer competency assessment for EPAS NC2, the qualification electronics products, assembly and servicing NC2 are proposed for basic, common, and core competences. Core competences, we have assembled electronics products, service consumers electronic products and systems, and service industrial electronics module products and systems. We will collect evidences through demonstration, observation in workplace, written exam, practical exam, and portfolio. This assessment method can help to measure your underpinning knowledge and skills. We also have things that need to be considered. If there are any religious practices, just tell me so that I can allow you to observe whatever you are required to do by your respective religions. Example, if you need to pray at a specific time this day, tell me and I will allow you. For those candidates who need to take their medication, maintenance, wherein the duration of our assessment, just inform me and I will allow you to take your medication. If you have difficulty understanding the instruction for the given instruction, please do not hesitate to inform me because we are willing to translate it for you also during the written examination. If you have dilemma, write down your answer. Don't be shy because we can accept your answer verbally. Follow the security policy and procedure. Follow rules on use of facilities. If you have concern, question, or needs for you to clarify matter concern in the assessment, you may raise your hand because I'm willing to assist you. But once the assessment is started, please refrain the asking question. It is no longer allowed. Using cell phone during assessment and taking picture, leaving the premises of the EC without informing the assessor or any staff. That is currently implementing the e-certificate system starting March 28, 2025 until December 31, 2025. They will be running a parallel implementation. This means that you have an option to either receive your traditional papers-based national certificate or NC, or optional for the newly introduced e-certificate. If you achieve a competent result in your assessment and choose the e-certificate, your national certificate will be sent to your provided email address within 1 day after the assessment. It is crucial to ensure that the email address you provide in the application form is accurate. Once received, you should print the e-certificate on any clean white A4 size paper. For individuals whose employers or company prepare a paper NC, the certificate individual must print their NC or COC on a clean A4 size white paper. Subsequently, this printed certificate should be taken to the nearest TESDA provincial district office for the application of the dry seal. The TESDA POCAC focal will be responsible for verifying the authenticity of the NC flexing the dry seal, a service that will be provided free of change. Starting from January 2026, the paper-based national certificate will no longer be available. As a final reminder, please ensure that the email address and the name provided during the application process are accurate and up to date. The NC-COC is issued by the provincial office where the assessment task placed upon presentation of CARC. It has a validity period of the 5 years. You may claim your NC or COC 3 working days. It means Saturday, Sunday, and holidays are not included. Bring the following upon claiming: CARS, picture, passport size, white background with color and name tag. Clear white background, photo paper use, clear face and high quality. 50 pesos for certification fee. Renewal of NC, 5 years validity requirements. Photocopy of NC with original presented. Certificate of employment related to the NC. After the assessment and you are found to be not yet competent, don't worry about it because you can be reassessment anytime at your own convenience. In case the reassessment is full qualification, you have to undergo the full assessment process. If you are found to be competent in some unit of competencies, the assessment shall be focused in the unit of competency for you are found to be not yet competent. Also, if you fail 2 consecutive assessments, you will be advised to undergo refresh course before applying the assessment. During the actual assessment, please observe safety as you go perform a different task. Make sure use to check in your electronics equipment before plugging it. Avoid pulling the cord as you unplug the equipment. Observe proper body mechanics, lifting head equipment, and to avoid back injuries in case of accident. Please call attention immediately so that you can provide your first aid, and should you need, arise a first aid cabinet located on the right. If you don't have any questions or clarification, then I'm going to distribute the specific instruction. Please read them carefully and do not hesitate to ask questions right now. I may be able to translate it from English to your local dialect. If you need assistance, then I will be more than willing to assist you. So everybody must be ready now. Candidate number 1, you may please proceed to the assessment area. And for the rest of the candidate, please remain while